everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's recipe is overnight raisin oats. So the ingredients are here. It is the easiest, quickest, best breakfast. Let's see how to make. Oats 1 small cup. Soaked raisins. Nuts. Palm sugar, soaked basil seeds also known as sabja seeds, and milk. Vegan people can use coconut milk or almond milk. Into a smoothie jar, add oats. Oats are good source of carbs and fiber. Soaked raisins. Sabja seeds, and some nuts. As per your sweetness, you can use palm sugar or honey. Add some milk and give an overall nice stir. You can have next day morning or else after 8 hours. Add some frozen bananas. You can make overnight oats with fruits or chocolates of your choice. Quick, easiest breakfast is ready. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe the video. Thanks for watching.